Hi, Oga. Good evening. Good afternoon. Bag of tomato. I can get for my tomato. 1, 2, then small this, this is a lot. This is a lot. I need to sieve out this water again. So, wait.
Mommy, we got something special for you.
You want something special from? You hug mommy now. Oh, Kiki. How are you? So you are happy to be back. I heard you were crying. Why are you crying? You don't want to come back. Man, no. Give me high five for one. That's my boy. Hey. So welcome. Welcome. Your people are looking fine now. They made your hair. When you lose this one, you touch your hair is due. Kiki. Welcome to Portharcourt. Welcome back. Come. Who gave you that one?
Are you?
Who gave you that? Come.
Mommy bought it for me, I guess.
Grandma bought it for you. Hey, so welcome to these people. Human beings are back. They are back. They are back. They are back. They are back. Are you happy to be back?
Yay!
Did you miss one?
Yes!
You miss one?
Yeah! I need to put my own picture there. Yeah!
Your own picture, don't worry, your own is coming.
Yay! Yay!
Catch up with you guys later. The owners of the house. They are back. They are back. Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Santi!
Later, people of God.
Mommy put
Kiki.
egg inside my template. Mommy put egg inside.
Why do you come down from the table? Kiki, boy, you said you don't want to eat toasted bread. You're eating. Let me see what you're eating. Is it yummy? Huh?
Because you need a friend. You need a toasted bread.
Sorry, boil it and eat it. Boil it and eat it. Okay. Man, let me see.
I eat that.
You're eating bread.
Mommy, sing it. Mommy, you don't know that there's mom.
People left the table and came to sit on the floor.
Yes, that's good. Yeah, good.
Good for.
Table manners. See the table manners.
Is it table manners? That's in his family rules.
No, it doesn't. There's no security.
There's no security.
And that's like it is. It's like a cock.
Eh?
Not that. It's like a cock.
Kiki.
$5,000.
5,000 is the time.
Did you do one more bread? This egg is peppery. Take this one right here. Okay.
Thank you.
And I also add something.
Hey people, happy Sunday. Yes, as you guys must have seen, my yard people, they are back. Everyone is back home now. Still, back to reality, back to situation of things. And you've seen, now tomato is cheap in the market though. Go and buy and preserve, okay? So, I said let me give you guys angles today. Yes, we are back from church, as you can see, and let's start to come and close out the vlog so I can start a new one. My yard people, they are back. Did I miss them? Yes. Did I enjoy their stay off? Yes, I loved and enjoyed myself. And This my reality has come back. All the obule, all the outing that I did when they were around. It's time for me to get my groove on and prepare for school. So today we're going to do a lot of things, sort out their inner wears, their school uniform and school bags. Everything is clean, it's been washed. So I need to get new water bottles. So I'll need to do that tomorrow. And my sister is around. Let me make use of her now before she leaves. I want to bake banana bread, meat pie, maybe off, as a case maybe, or do plantain chips. I don't know. As the spirit leads, and I want to cook today, just rice for Sunday, and just we have a lot of things still remaining. So no back to school shopping, plenty. So thank you guys for watching. If you watched this point, tell me the best part of the vlog that you enjoyed. Is it the part that I was struggling with my tomato that I got? That tomato, guess how much I bought it? I know it might be expensive compared to what the situation of things are now, but I got that bag for 11,000 naira, and that should be more than 6 custard rubber if I'm not mistaken, because I got the whole crate for 11,000 naira, and it was worth it. It was really worth the buy. I know that tomato will last, if possible, March or April safe. Because the way I'm going to be scooping that thing like gold there, I will be taking it like gold, as I will be. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for liking. If you've not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Please, Pico, sorry for the noise. That's evidence that they are back. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. And if you've not done any of this, what are you waiting for? My OGs, thank you. So subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.